So it is almost time for the Super Bowl, which is always my favorite. Why? Because of food, of course. So in today's video, we are going to be making some Cuban sliders. They are the perfect appetizer for any football party. These sandwiches are so delicious that I have to admit, my family usually fights over who gets the last sandwich. So let's go spice things up.
The ingredients that we are using is Swiss cheese, ham. You want to get brown sugar ham, and then some sweet Hawaiian rolls, a couple pans to put them in. You'll want some dill pickles and some yellow mustard. Now you'll want to cut your rolls in half. Now take that yellow mustard and just squeeze it on both sides of the rolls. Next, you'll want to take your brown sugar ham and go ahead and place it on one side. After putting all the ham slices on it, next up is some pulled pork. Now I just make pulled pork in the Instant Pot, so that's what I did, but you can cook it in the smoker. And then just make sure you put a nice generous amount on top. And now it is time for the Swiss cheese. Go ahead and place the Swiss cheese all over that one side. Up next is the dill pickles. Now if you see over there, I have them laying out on a paper towel. And the reason why is because you kind of want them to get some of the juices out. If not, your rolls will get soggy. Now place the top of the rolls right onto the bottom of the rolls. And now you want to take some softened butter and just spread it evenly over the top of the rolls. Now right over the butter, you want to put some garlic powder and then top it with some aluminum foil. Now you want to go ahead and put your sliders right in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, they are done and you are ready to serve it at your football party.
And I want to give a special shout out to my husband, who is the one preparing these sliders for you guys.
Well, if your team is playing, good luck to you. If not, we'll just enjoy the food anyway. Bye, and see you in the next video.